Welcome to Auto Nation Carriage, where we bring you the latest and most detailed reviews of the newest vehicles on the market. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Camry, a car that continues to redefine reliability and style in the midsize sedan category. The Camry has long been a staple in Toyota's lineup, offering a smooth ride, excellent fuel efficiency, and a reputation for longevity. Let's take a closer look at what the 2025 version has to offer. Under the hood, the 2025 Camry comes with a couple of engine options to cater to different driving preferences. The base model is equipped with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, which produces a respectable 203 horsepower. For those seeking a bit more power and performance, the available 3.5-liter V6 engine kicks things up a notch with 301 horsepower. Both engines are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing a seamless and responsive driving experience. The hybrid variant also makes a return, combining a 2.5-liter engine with an electric motor, achieving an impressive 52 mpg combined, making it a perfect option for those who prioritize fuel economy. In terms of design, the 2025 Camry continues to impress with its bold and modern aesthetic. The front end features a sleek, angular grille, sharp LED headlights, and a more aggressive stance compared to previous models. The exterior dimensions have been fine-tuned for a sportier look, while maintaining the comfort and spaciousness that Camry buyers have come to expect. Inside, the cabin is equally refined, with high-quality materials used throughout. The 2025 model boasts a 7-inch touchscreen in the base model, while the higher trims offer an 8-inch or even a 9-inch display, paired with the intuitive Toyota infotainment system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Safety remains a key selling point for Toyota, and the 2025 Camry is no exception. It comes with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus, which includes features such as pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and more. This suite of safety technologies works together to keep you and your passengers secure on the road. Additionally, the car's strong build and reliability further contribute to its reputation for safety. For the interior, the Camry offers a variety of comfort features, including available leather upholstery, a power-adjustable driver's seat, dual-zone automatic climate control, and a spacious rear seat. The 2025 model is also equipped with a larger trunk space, making it easier to haul luggage or groceries. The hybrid version also provides a decent amount of cargo space, despite having a battery pack in the trunk. When it comes to driving experience, the 2025 Camry is engineered for a balanced ride. The suspension is tuned for comfort, while the steering provides enough feedback to keep the driver engaged. Whether you're commuting or going on a weekend road trip, the Camry is designed to offer a smooth and enjoyable ride. If you're considering a 2025 Toyota Camry, you'll find that it offers a strong mix of performance, comfort, and safety, making it a great choice for those looking for a reliable daily driver with a touch of style. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more reviews and automotive news from Auto Nation Carriage. Thanks for tuning in.